I am feeling sick. Oh my, the air is so polluted nowadays. Dirty air coming from the car exhaust pipe, open burning, toxic gas emitted from the factory, and many more. The Mother Earth is sick. Global warming is happening now. But how can we help? Here are 3 simple steps to start with. First, switch off the lights, TV, or any electrical device when not in use can help to reduce the level of air pollution. Second, recycle and reduce the usage of plastic bags. Third, reduce the use of internal combustion engine vehicles. You can opt for public transport system, walking, or riding a bicycle for short distances. But if you still prefer to use private vehicles, go for electric vehicle like VinFast, VF8 and VF9. For your information, VinFast from Vietnam is the world's first company to quit making gasoline cars. It focuses on developing electric vehicles with zero emission, a greener approach for our planet. If you prefer a family car, VF9 provides a comfortable 7-seater covered with high-quality leather seats, suitable to bring your whole family members for a holiday. And the design of the car is beautiful and solid. It includes cool smart services features such as virtual assistant and entertainment. Not only that, everything is powered by electric batteries, so zero pollution. We need a cleaner and healthier planet.
Hãy cùng nhau làm phần việc của mình để giảm thiểu ô nhiễm không khí, vì mọi thứ đều bắt đầu từ chúng ta.